I swear, never had my color. I already know how this goes. You get on that freaking TikTok app, the other app, and they just sell out. So I ain't got time for it. Hey, so y'all, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Jennifer, also known as TheJenniferMonique. If this is your first time, welcome. If it's not, welcome back, y'all. So I am currently headed to Aldi's and Sephora. Maybe not in that order, but maybe in that order. I think that's the way it is, because that's how they are set up, like the path that I'm going. So that's where I'm getting ready to go today. You guys, I have not been out the house in 3 days, and I wouldn't have came out the house today if I didn't have to go to the store and buy some sides for dinner tonight. Baby, who am I? What am I doing with my life? Okay, and in case you are wondering, no, I have not fixed this camera. I really think I'm just gonna have to hit it back, make it go back to like the like reset the whole camera, and then just start over, because baby, I don't know what happened. So that's that. Okay, I have my blocking all types of negativity, energy, and demons spirit glasses on, because baby, the only spirit we do over here is the Holy Spirit. Okay, so yeah, on that note, I'm getting ready to continue driving. I just wanted to open up this vloggy vlog for today. So I know everybody's doing like vlogtober, and you know your girl missed the first week of vlogtober due to unforeseen circumstances with my health. Okay, and now we're going to get back into it. Also, I want to like do my nails today because I took off my press-ons, y'all. If you don't know, I do wear press-ons. We're going out of town. When are we going out of town, y'all? Thursday? I don't know. What, Friday? Anyway, we're going out of town, and we're going for our anniversary, our 1-year anniversary. So I don't know if I want to redo my nails. Jeez Louise, sir, redo my nails today. They should last through the weekend. They should last through the weekend. But I was thinking about busting down and doing Gel X nails. And my husband was listening. He'd be like, girl, no. Let me tell you why. Because you see this? Oh, you probably can't see. My nails were literally lifting from my Gel X nails, and it's because I was using the drill to do my nails, and I was using the drill on my real nails, and I was doing it too hard, and it caused them to have like brown spots, which I believe was like little blood vessels. I don't know, but girl had me out here thinking I had skin cancer. Okay, baby, I was traumatized. Okay, traumatized, baby. If I can have if I still have a picture, I'll insert what my nails looked like. Okay. So, you know, I'm a DIY girl, so I've learned my lesson not to use the actual drill on my nails, but to use like the bed. So I've been wearing press-on nails since then, and it's been months, y'all. But it's our anniversary, so I don't know if I want to bust back out those skills. I don't know if I want to bust back out those skills, but I probably don't. So I'll probably just do my press-on nails and wait, because I do a lot of typing at work, and then my Gel X nails were long, so I could make them short. I don't know, y'all. We'll see. So I'm probably gonna do my Gel X nails. But anywho, yeah, I have not packed either, so we need to do that sometime this week. But anywho, let me go. I'm rambling, and let's get started, y'all. Let's get this vlog done. Alright, made it back from Aldi's. Let me show you real quick what I picked up. I did pick up these pita crackers, sea salt to eat with like my little tuna packets. I did pick up these sweet potato chips with sea salt, and also the sweet chili brown rice crisps. I'm going to eat these like with my lunch, because I'm having Polish sausages, that's how you pronounce it, for lunch this week with some bell peppers, and I thought these would be a good side. For dinner, I bought 2 heads of broccoli. I'm probably gonna roast those. Some potatoes. I'm gonna make mashed potatoes with those. I picked up these green beans. So these are all like for dinner this week, Monday through Thursday. And then, I picked up these carrots. I'm probably gonna roast those for dinner. And then for breakfast, I did pick up this turkey bacon, uncured. Yo, this is not turkey bacon. This is uncured bacon. I got this. Well, I guess my husband's gonna be eating that because I don't really fool with bacon like that. But this is what I picked up from Aldi's. Nothing too big. Yo, I really thought this was turkey bacon. I'm hurt. Now from Sephora, I only picked up 2 things. I'm going to probably go to the Sephora, which is an hour away. I just replaced my Fenty Beauty foundation. And then, like I told you guys, we'll be going out of town. So I picked up my face wash, Used to the People face wash. And so I thought this was cute because it's a little travel size. But yeah, that's all I picked up from Ulta. We have another, this was Ulta and Kohl's. But I'm probably about to go to the Ulta, which is the hour away from me, because I do want to pick up that lip oil. But I had to drop off my groceries. I swear, never had my color.
I gotta tell you something I could do. I could be running or I'm chasing you, but I won't. Cause I got better things to do. Rather spend my precious time chasing somebody who loves me too. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive. If you hadn't run away every time I asked you stay, you would sleep right next to me tonight. No, you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this, it's a part of the game. In the beginning I just didn't know that you're an enemy I held too close. Now I know, cause you did everything to prove me wrong. You were not the guy I thought. Now I'm beating you at your own. Yeah. If I got $1 for every time you slam the door, I would be the richest girl alive. No, you didn't want me, all you wanted was a game to play, and you couldn't handle that I had my ways. Around your mind tricks and your side chicks, I'm a winner, babe. No, you didn't win this, it's a part of the game. Yeah, I beat you at your game, and if you were me, you would do the same.
Hey guys, so I totally lied. I did not go to the other Sephora because the other Sephora is like an hour away, like I mentioned, and something in my spirit was saying, Jennifer, don't do it. And you know what, I decided to listen to that because I don't know why it told me not to, but it did. So I went to Ulta instead because I'm trying to look for something on the first thing. Anyway, so the first thing is, when I went to Sephora, I was actually going to buy that Rihanna eavesdrop foundation stick, eavesdrop stick, but they didn't have any for the dark skin girls. So I ended up buying my foundation, which I showed you guys earlier, because baby, I was scraping it out the bottle, right? So then I went back to Ulta because, you know, I really wanted some, I don't know, I'm in my lip girl era for some reason. I wanted yo, what did I want? It is cold. I want, oh, that lip oil, you know. I forgot who it was, baby. A House of somebody. House of Labs lip oil. But I just did not want to drive an hour to get there. So I went back to Sephora and Kohl's, and I ended up picking up the Fenty Beauty Cherry Tree Conditioning Lip Oil. So I just picked up this one instead. I mean, it's the same price. We're gonna try it out and see. And then I seen that they have some dupes of that other lip oil on Amazon, which I may or may not buy. I don't know. but this right here will suffice me, okay, because it is the cherry color. So I'm really excited about that. And then I wanted to pick up the Fenty Eavesdrop tint stick, but they didn't have none for the black girl, so I went to Ulta. I was in Kohl's parking lot, and Ulta said they didn't have it. But I was like, you know what? Let's go look, baby. They have the whole product, the whole line. They just got them in this last night. She said they put them all out last night. So baby, I was able to get my color. Tried it on 21, so I ended up getting the Fenty Eavesdrop stick. I'm so excited about that because I have the liquid. I did pick up these Mighty Patches. If you know, you know. And then somehow I ended up on the other side of the store. I'll tell you I'm in my lip gloss. And Elf has these lip exfoliators. I ended up buying brown sugar and also strawberry because I already know how this goes. You get on that freaking TikTok app, the other app, and they just sell out. So I ain't got time for it. So then they also had these lip glosses here. So I said, well, these are pretty cute. I won't be mad if I lose them because they were only $4. So I ended up getting all 4. I got the whole product line, y'all. Never not mind my raggedy nails. So I picked up the vanilla frosting, strawberry, grape, and honeydew. So I picked up all that, y'all. Then I had a coupon for $15 off 50. On top of, I had $9 in like reward points with Ulta. Girl, I paid only $48 for all this, okay? $48. I used that $15 coupon off 50, and then I used my $9. And baby, $48, baby, for all of that, okay? That's why I ended up picking up all of it. So I'm really excited because of what I really wanted. I was able to get, so baby Ulta had it. And then I was able to get my lip oil to suffice that I wasn't gonna get the House of Labs. Cause I don't know, I was getting, literally y'all, I was driving, getting ready to get on the interstate, and I was talking to my niece. So shout out to her. And I was like, something is telling me not to go. Something is telling me not to go, so you know what? I ain't go. So here we are. But I do want to run to Walmart real quick. It's 1:13 in the evening. I want to run to Walmart. I want to pick up some body oil because it's our anniversary, and baby, when we go out, I want to make sure my skin is glowing, okay? Glowing. But also body oil is really good because with body oil, you layer it with your lotion and you spray your perfume on there, and baby, lasts all day long, baby. Smelling good all day long. So yeah, I just want to drop in with you guys. So I'm about to run to Walmart real quick, like get in, get out. Probably want to take your guys in there with me because baby, we ain't got time for all that, okay? We trying to get in and get out. Hey guys, so it is, no, I always try to show y'all guys, but anyway, probably too bright, but it is 7:23 p.m. y'all. Look at my hair, it's in a clip. 7:03 p.m. I just finished packing my makeup bag. Like I told you guys, we're going out of town pretty soon. Hopefully y'all guys can see that. Hold on, just let me show you guys what I have in here. Got this cute little bag from Amazon. Of course, Amazon. Came with a whole set. I'll link it down below for you. I have my face cloths that I usually wash my face with and take my makeup off. My makeup remover, if you know, you know. This Pot's cold cream is bomb, okay? Melts the makeup right off. Then I have my all-nighter spray. Then the makeup palettes that I'm bringing are just this Hip Dot, which is this pretty color gold here. Pretty gold. Then I'm going to do, I'm bringing my, sorry guys, I have it in my hand, the Warrior 2 Juvia's Place, and then the Warrior by Juvia. And then in here I have my mirror that I like to bring that has the lights, 2 beauty blenders, some of my little sponges. Inside of here, see if I can do this one here, I have all my brushes and my powder in there. Now in here, I'm kind of scared to open it because it is packed to the rim. Anyway, in here I just have all my foundations, concealers, highlighters, mascara, you name it, it's in here. And then there's a charger for my mirror, sorry. And then there's my bronzer. So So the only thing I do not have, there we go. The only thing I do not have packed in here is going to be my eyelash stuff. So I have this sitting here because I gotta go into the office tomorrow for work, and after that I probably won't wear makeup till we leave. So I just keep it here, have it zipped up. Oh, let me add my other stuff. I just have it in here. So in the morning, on my vanity, all I gotta do is open it up, get my makeup out, put it back, and then I'm gonna pack it in my suitcase. Bam. All my makeup is in here. I'll just have to put like my eyelash glue and eyelash stuff that comes in on Wednesday. Cause I'm gonna do some individuals in there. So yeah, highly, highly, highly recommend that Amazon, I think it's called a packing set or something like that. If I can remember, I'm gonna link it down below. If you made this far in the video and I don't, please tell me to. Yeah, I can link it down there. But anyway, I'm gonna get ready to, I did not wash my hair today, and I did not do my nails. Who am I? Who am I? Y'all, I did not do my nails because honestly, I'm kind of tired. What happened? I did not go to bed last night till after 3:40. Well, right back up at 8. So now I'm a little exhausted. So we just finished cooking, eating, all that other stuff. I cooked all my sides. I didn't show it, but I cooked all the sides. So we have dinner ready for the rest of the week, which is amazing. Amazing. Dinner is done for the rest of the week. So we do not have to cook, so it's lunch done for the rest. So yeah, really excited about that. But what else I have to tell y'all? Nothing much for real. Baby's outside doing something with the car, but I'm getting ready to do my skincare routine, shower, brush my teeth, floss. Not in that order. Not in that order, but do all the dressing, get ready for bed. And get ready for bed. You about to turn these bedroom lights blue. When the bedroom lights are blue, baby, that means we're going to bed. But anywho, I need to fix my baby hairs for work tomorrow. I may just wash like this part tonight and see what happens. Because I think if I could get up early in the morning, I may try to wash my hair before work. We'll see how that goes. But anyway, guys, I'm about to end this vlog here. I'm trying to do better at ending vlogs, but my energy is like negative, okay? Oh, and I fixed my camera, y'all. I don't know if you can tell by the lighting. It wasn't really broken. I had it on the wrong setting, apparently. Yeah, so anyway, I'm about to get ready for bed. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, little day in the life vlog. I guess I'm doing vlogtober, you know, even though I started super late on the 9th. You know what? I'm not even gonna commit to that. I'm not even gonna commit to that. I'm not, because it'd be crazy during the week. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.